Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a Dollar Tree haul. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in quite a while because the Dollar Tree next to our house is kind of gross. It's run down and it's never fully stocked and has just been a really big disappointment to me. Where I used to live before I moved last March, the Dollar Trees that were near me were really amazing. Especially, there was one that was just kind of a bit of a drive, but it was huge. So I was so excited today when we were heading up that way and were able to stop into the Dollar Tree that I used to go to and check it out and see what they had. So the first thing I noticed when I walked in was all the Valentine's stuff. I know a lot of people think it's really early to buy Valentine's, you know, Valentine's decorations and everything, but to be honest, I kind of love that I can start looking at it now because I can really think about what I want to get and I can buy what I need, and then, you know, in a couple weeks when I want to decorate for Valentine's Day, I know where it's here already and I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to think, okay, now I need to go out and shop and find stuff and things are picked over and I don't get what I want. So, the first things that I got were from the Valentine's section. I have a vase that I'm adding to my front hall, and I wanted something to put in that vase, and this is just something that will be a filler. I still want to get some flowers for that vase, maybe like some roses or something along those lines, maybe like white carnations, or I'm just not sure. But I found these there, and they're like the little, you can see like little glittery heart, and they're on a stick. And I thought these would be super cute to put in with some of those flowers and just throughout the house. These would be really fun if I'm, you know, doing a craft to add to really anything. So I picked these up. And then the next thing I picked up, I did pick up a roll of ribbon. So I think what I'm gonna do with this ribbon is my box that I bought from Kirkland's, it says Grateful on the side. It's like the rustic box that I did my Christmas centerpiece in. I think I'm going to wrap it in this ribbon for Valentine's Day and do some kind of fun arrangement in that. So stay tuned for that. And then the next thing I purchased was this super sweet little Valentine's welcome sign. It's just little hearts and they hang and it just says welcome. And I thought that was really cute, and I can hang that in my kitchen where my Christmas tree handprint used to be. Okay, so that was it for the Valentine's stuff that I picked up. I was hoping to find something in the way of Easter. I know it's super early, but I saw something on another video that had like a picture, like a wooden sign that had little bunnies and it had their little tails on there, and I just thought that was adorable. So I was hoping that they would have that there, but they didn't. So I actually may just get a piece of wood and make it myself. So if I do, I'll share that with you later. Okay, so that was it for the Valentine's stuff that I bought. Then I found these little guys. I have purchased these for much more than $1, and I was really happy to find them there. They're just like the little soft containers with the lids. I send these with Andy in his lunch when I send him with salad. I'll send dressing in this, or sometimes I'll send him with tuna to do like tuna salad with like a couple hard-boiled eggs, and I'll put the mayonnaise in this for him to mix it in when he gets to work. So I really love these little containers, and to find them for $1, I think is a steal. My husband was with me. You know how that is. So he threw in 2 bags of these bugles, one in original flavor and one in nacho cheese flavor. So that was that. And then the last thing that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, they had a pretty good section of storage bins there, which I really wish that I had had my laundry room done so that I could determine what I needed, but I just don't know what I need until I get in there and tackle that project. I just don't know what sizes I'm going to need. So I refrain from purchasing a bunch of containers that I don't need, but these containers that are this size with the holes, I use these for so many things. Like, they are the perfect size to just put in any bin to store things in. And the cool thing is you can turn them sideways and they actually will stack. So you can stack them if you have just an area that you want lots of things in. That's really an easy thing to do, is just stack them. Like in my basement with different supplies for the kids. You could put Legos in there and stack them up. I just love this size container, and they don't always have this size. So they had quite a few different colors that I've never seen before, and one of them was like a mint green. I'm trying to see if I have anything in my house that color, but it's like more of a mint green, and it was beautiful. And I thought about getting those, but I already have so many of these and they're all blue, and I really kind of just wanted to keep them all the same color. But if I end up using some of those in my laundry room, I may go back and get those mint green ones if they're still there. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. That's all I picked up this trip. So I hope you guys will head out to yours and find some really cool Valentine's finds. If you do, let me know in the comments below so that I can pop over to your YouTube channel and check out your video. I'm really interested to see all the cute holiday decorations that everybody is finding at their own Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.